Okay, I'm doing this for the last time. So hey y'all, it is Tuesday. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I wanted to sound like that, but whatever, I'm not doing it again. It's Tuesday. I'm getting ready to go get my nails done. That's really all I'm doing. I'm about to go get some Jamba Juice. I'm back on my health kick, so I am going to be working out today. I probably will go to the gym just so I can get gym content and get familiar with the gym, because I really need to start going to the actual gym. I need to stop saying so much. But yeah, we're getting ready to go get our nails done, go get some Jamba Juice so I can get some food on my stomach. They have an Impossible sandwich that I want to try. And who doesn't love Jamba Juice? And it's right across the street from the Galleria, so that's where we're headed. Of course, if I do anything else, y'all are coming along with me. I don't know if I told y'all this, but I do have a new Instagram because my Instagram was hacked. So I will be putting my Instagram periodically throughout my videos now on the screen for you guys. My new Instagram is at a.royalfetish, and I will make sure to put that on the screen for you guys as well. So yeah, let's head to the gallows to get our nails done.
2,000 years later.
Okay. And we're back. Actually, let me get my drink. Right. Scoot it up.
No.
You know what? You're not being a team sport.
I'm gonna be real snippy today.
Here. First of all, bitch, I apologize. Now I'm finna reverse it. Oh, it's kind of crooked.
Ooh, this is pretty from here. Like the sky's gonna
See, this is
blue.
so ghetto.
But,
Ghetto.
oh gosh, I've seen worse.
Swole. From this angle, it's a little swole.
Alright, big burger.
Oh.
Ping pong.
So what are you and doing?
I actually don't know, because let me hit him up.
Friend. I mean,
I knew today was gonna be a maybe.
right.
So I'm not tripping. Missing something.
I did like it, but then something changed, you know.
I think it's some salt. Like, it don't need that salt.
Yeah, it's salt.
Like, it normally doesn't have ginger though.
I'll say
I
something.
think that's good.
I like
I
it.
know he said ginger.
It's
I
refreshing.
always like the Paloma.
I always like the Paloma.
Shut up.
A Paloma.
You know what, ma'am?
Can't take you nowhere.
Okay.
Okay. Hey,
Are you ready?
Nowhere.
Okay, let's try again. Because everything else is like.
Can't take you nowhere. Okay. Now, oh wait, let me boomerang it though. I said line. He ain't even get her down. Sir, come on now. Hey girl, you know I be lying.
I hit that at iPick for like forever. Anytime I didn't recall something, didn't know
wait,
something.
yeah, let me go ahead and hit that. Oh, but I'm just gonna eat this good food, and I'm gonna to take this shot because I'm stressed out. Like, it's my time of the month. I had a whole incident yesterday. Y'all see that? We ain't even gonna talk about that. I'm just gonna leave that yesterday because it's yesterday, and then today we ain't gonna talk about that either. And then it's that time of the month. I'm just
single ladies.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
I'm just. Camera, I just blew it out. Because when it comes, I need them to see it sizzling.
That was our song. Bless you.
Can you give her one of your napkins? She got a little tear.
Wait, come here.
It's her sinus. I'm gonna give her some sinus medicine when I get home.
Dude, I got her some sinus medicine, right? Does she need some more?
I think she has, I think she has some at the house. I don't want to assume, like, I'm literally like, everything's so up in the air. I don't know how you genuinely feel about
No one should have to guess.
I don't know how you, after all these years, I don't know how you feel me. There's nothing that anybody can ask me. And I know anything for certain. I can just tell you that with confidence. I don't know anything.
Y'all been in the game too long.
You don't open up to me. And even every time I've tried, it's very vague. Like, when I get to opening up, you don't say nothing. You just send heart eyes. But like, what, like, or you are hearted. You don't like engage. So it's just kind of like I'm in it by myself. I don't want to feel like that. I feel like it's gonna stop though.
Right.
Or slow up. I'm gonna run and get that car and pull it up.
I just want to taste it. Is that okay?
She's talking about some, wait, I have to cheers first.
Oh, well, how you gonna cheers without tasting it?
Because we haven't cheered the cup.
Okay,
We have to cheers the cup first.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Say 1, 2, 3, cheers. She said now we can drink it.
All right,
Say
the sip of life.
hello.
Don't find yourself. Thanks. Delish.
Delish. Crab nachos. Crab nachos. I got a shrimp, and they have zucchini and squash on the side, and I got some tortillas. Came with some garlic butter. I got a side of a roasted jalapeno because it's so good. Got beans and rice. We're good. We finna indulge, get fat. I gotta take pictures. I should have did it before, knowing it was gonna. If I would have known it was gonna take this long. Hey guys, your girl is home. And yes, this is the same outfit from yesterday because we went to the Mexican restaurant. I did get no pictures and I did get pictures today, but I'm gonna get pictures in it. So just know when I take the pictures, I'm taking pictures. But we got invited to a private event, so we can't take y'all with us. And we literally, in my last vlog, sorry, I'm getting on the toilet, y'all. Yeah, but in my last vlog, I haven't posted it yet. I'm terrible. I gotta get back in the groove of things. I'm posting it this week. In that vlog, we went to the place that we just came from, which is why I didn't vlog it, because I don't want y'all seeing the same spots. And there was nobody in there. We was literally there to support somebody, the DJ. But yeah, we got invited somewhere. So we got invited to 13, which is James Harden's restaurant, but it's also like a bar and club, lounge, hookah spot type thing. So we're going there for a private event, guys. So unfortunately, we can't take y'all with us, but I promise y'all, we will let y'all know tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, we might go to the pool, then we can lace y'all up and let y'all know the tea, honey. But yeah, events like that, like knowing who it is and know what we finna be around, niggas might be confiscating phones. So yeah, we will see y'all tomorrow.